Hi guys! So as many of you know, we have a house full of cats here. There's one of them down there. Pesky cats. There's one of my pesky cats. We have 7 cats. And before we moved onto the homestead, 3 of them were pretty much outdoor cats. I mean, they'd go in and out. Since we've moved onto the homestead, most of them are now outdoor cats. So, you know, before it got cold, we had this door open all the time. But now that it's cold, we have to keep it closed, and the cats are constantly whining to go out or come in. So Scott's gonna build a kitty door. If you can see here, torn up plastic. I don't know why. Can you see it? I know, we need better lighting. Oh, these little prick holes from their nails. But, so Scott's marked the door out. And we're using stuff we have around the house. He had me make 2 quilted panels that we're going to try and make for the doors. We were going to use a hard plastic, but we're going to give this a try and see how it works. It was his idea, and his ideas usually work, so we're going to give it a try. My only concern is that it's going to be getting cold again, and I'm hoping that they'll help keep the cold air out. This one I did not quilt. I left it fluffy, and that one will be on the outside. And then this one is on the inside. I'm hoping the quilted one will stop the air from coming in, and the non-quilted one will kind of slow it down as they're coming in. I don't know. That was my thought at the time. Whether it makes sense or not, who knows, but... Okay, so... Now he's cutting the hole in the door. So our hope is that the cats will use this instead of begging us to go out every 2 minutes. Of course, they don't always do what you ask them to, or expect them to do. I had, as some of you may know, I've been making these bowl cozies to sell in my Etsy shop. Well, the one that I kept for us, the cats have been using as a bed. So I went and I made a cat cozy, and they won't use it. Okay, I can't talk. Hold on. That's alright. Lily's over there watching. She's not, well, I mean, she goes out when it's warm out, but when it's cold, she becomes an indoor cat. But when the weather's nice, she's outside all the time. So what's the next step, Mr. Scott? Curtains. Curtains. Curtains for the kitties. Curtains. So this is just a simple fix, make, whatever you want to call it, to provide the cats quick entrance and exit. mean, literally in the morning when I get up and I sit down to drink my coffee in a time when I want to be left alone, I have to get up like, well, I don't have to, but if I don't get up, then they'll tear up the wall. But they're in and out like 10 times in a 2-hour period. What's the matter? They be on the cabinet. Of course, nobody's around. Where is everybody? No. Oh. Lily's not bothered by it. Oh. I was in your light. Moving too fast for me. Okay, cat door. And of course there's nobody around to try it out, but then they'd probably stand there and stare at it anyway and wait until we walked away. So that's how you do a makeshift cat door, and we'll show you when we have evidence that it works or not.
Oh, I know what the case we find. Yeah, that's open. Oh, they're going.
Let's hope so. And like I said, I'm just concerned because our temperatures are going to drop again. But hopefully my panels that I made will keep the cold air out. Okay, guys. We'll talk to you later. Bye. He's not even looking at it. The dork. He's like, come on, Dad, just open the door for me. Oh. We'll go, Brutus. Oh, he wants to smell Dad first.
Really?
Brutus, go outside. Go outside. Yay!
Yeah, let's see what he does.
I hear scratching. Ah, yay! Yay, you got it, Brutus! He's our biggest pain in the butt. Now he's going over to thank Daddy. Thank you, Daddy! See, now the only problem is that when he comes in, both of the panels are wide open. Yeah, I think the magnets might be a good idea. And I've got, like I said, I've got a sheet of magnet. Right. Oh, now Smeagol's going to check it out. He's not one of our outdoor cats, but he's nosy. He's like, what's this?
You must be new to that thing.
Mm-hmm. Oh, they all are. You gonna go out, Smeeks? You gonna go out?
Leo, give it a try.
Go ahead, Brutus. Nope, nope.
It's no fun anymore, is it?
Hey, no nails on the table. Come on, Brutus. Come on. Come on. You wanted to go outside? No, he wanted to go out and come in. There he goes. You have to learn how to close the door behind you. He's like, oh, I can get out by myself now. Suddenly, the desperation of needing to go out on the porch for 2 minutes is gone. Now, anytime I try to record our cats, they're like really boring, and then as soon as I turn the camera off, they're all out of control. We'll go outside. Go ahead. Go out on the porch.